Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
Warm, muggy tonight, but a little bit of a breeze out there. Skies partly cloudy. Capital City at 83 degrees currently. By morning, 77, our forecast low temperature for the city with some low cloudiness. That'll burn off pretty quickly. At noon, we're looking at temperatures up close to 90, and then you saw the high there at 96 tomorrow afternoon. Not much in the way of rain tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, maybe a different story. More on that in a minute. Here are current temperatures at 10 p.m. Still 80 degrees down in LaGrange, 83 again here in the metro area, 81 in Burnet, 84 in Llano. Still feels like 90 degrees or so here in and around Austin. 91 the current heat index reading, taking into account that humidity. Also 91-degree heat index out in Llano. Again, officially, it is 83, but 77, 79% relative humidity. A partly cloudy sky, a wind out of the southeast. There's that breeze, 8 to 10 miles per hour currently. The rainfall situation for the month, still okay. Half an inch surplus for the year, about 2 3/4 of an inch. But we haven't had any in a few days, at least officially. We did have a few showers around the Austin metro area yesterday. Today, all of those showers were very isolated and confined to our easternmost counties. Don't think we'll see too many tomorrow, but then again, day after tomorrow and on Thursday, a little better chance. Lake Buchanan, 2 feet below its average elevation. Lake Travis is 5 feet above its normal July level today. Water temperature 87, and Barton Springs still flowing very, very nicely. Mold count 4,247. It's going the wrong way again. Remember last week we were kind of drying out a little bit in the atmosphere, and so the mold count was getting a little lower every day. It's back high now because we've got a lot of tropical moisture back in place. Allergy forecast for Tuesday, mold high again. Dallas 88, Houston, some rain over there today. It's 81, 83 also down in San Antonio. West Texas still warm, 80 in Midland. Showers that were pretty common in and around Houston today, dissipating with the loss of heating tonight. But our future weather model generates more tomorrow. Not so much in our area, but day after tomorrow. Take a look at this. We do see an indication that we could get more scattered activity here in our central Texas area. And the reason for that, you can plainly see in the water vapor imagery here. There is an upper level low right there, moving right west across the Gulf of Mexico. Again, tomorrow will be on the suppressive side of the system, the side of the low pressure area where the air is sinking, and so not so much rain. Day after tomorrow, as the low gets here, we're in the area in which we're likely to see a little more precipitation. Tropically, a little disturbance here, not going to be a big deal, we don't think. This one here over Puerto Rico, though, it does have some potential after about 2 days, after it moves into a more favorable environment, to maybe turn into something in the Gulf of Mexico toward the weekend. We'll have to watch that one. All right, lows tonight, mid-70s, highs tomorrow, back up close to where they were today. Not very many showers at all. Tonight, a partly cloudy sky, 77, the overnight low with a south wind at 5 to 10. Tomorrow, let's go 96 with south winds. Partly cloudy. Could we see an isolated afternoon shower? Yes. Chances less than 20% and mainly over east of Austin. In fact, let's go 10% tomorrow. On Wednesday, 40% chance of some showers. Same on Thursday, maybe a few thunderstorms too. And then after that, chances come down again on Friday this weekend, just to return to that hot and dry weather pattern. On Austin News Today tomorrow morning, we start it off at 5 a.m. and bring you weather and traffic together every 10 minutes.